In this video, we want to prove that for positive real numbers a and b, with a times b equals 1, the following inequality holds. We have a plus b all over 1 plus a squared plus a plus b all over 1 plus b squared is greater than or equal to 2. So first, let's start off with this inequality. What we first notice is that there's a factor of a plus b on the top for each one of these. So we can factor that outside. When we factor it outside, we have 1 over 1 plus a squared plus 1 over 1 plus b squared. And so we want this to be greater than or equal to 2. The goal here is, can we simplify this inequality? And to do that, we want to make a substitution. First, we're given that a times b is equal to 1. So we can solve for one of the variables. For this, I'm just going to solve for b. So I'm going to say b is equal to 1 over a. And we're going to plug it in to the fraction. So let's, we're looking at this one, 1 over 1 plus b squared. We'll leave a plus b alone for now. So 1 over 1 plus b squared turns into 1 over 1 plus 1 over a quantity squared, which is just 1 plus 1 over, or 1 over 1 plus 1 over a squared. And you can get a common denominator of a squared. It's 1 all over a squared plus 1 over a squared. Multiplying the top and the bottom by a squared. These a squareds cancel, and we're left with a squared over a squared plus 1. And so the 1 over 1 plus a squared is the same. So we're not touching this one. So now in the parentheses, we have 1 over 1 plus a squared plus a squared over 1 plus a squared. And adding these up, we get 1 plus a squared over 1 plus a squared, which is just equal to 1. So this whole parentheses is just 1. So now what we have is a plus b is greater than or equal to 2. That's what we want to show. To do that, we're going to apply the arithmetic mean geometric mean inequality. So for any positive real number x and y, we have the arithmetic mean, which is x plus y over 2, is greater than or equal to the geometric mean, which is the square root of x times y. For us, we're going to let x equal a and y equal b. So we have a plus b over 2 greater than or equal to the square root of ab. But remember that they gave us that a times b is 1. So that means a plus b over 2 is greater than or equal to 1. So multiplying both sides by 2, we get a plus b is greater than or equal to 2. So this proves the inequality. Now, if we want to look at the equality case, so like when is, but the equality case is when a is equal to b. Okay, so let's look at that. So since a times b is equal to 1 and a is equal to b, that means that they both have to be 1. So therefore, the inequality becomes an equality when a equals b equals 1. So in conclusion, we have shown that for all positive real numbers a and b, with ab equals 1, that this inequality is greater than or equal to 2. With equality if and only if a equals b equals 1.